In a tragic incident in Jabalpur, a tourist cruise boat sank in the Badki Dam on the Narmada River on Thursday evening. The boat operated by Madhya Pradesh Tourism was carrying more than 30 tourists when the accident happened near Khamaria Island. According to early reports, around 15 people managed to swim to safety. Sadly, at least 5 deaths have been confirmed so far, while several others are still missing. Rescue teams, including the State Disaster Response Force, have rushed to the spot and working continuously to find the missing passengers. Officials said the accident may have been caused by a sudden storm and strong winds which disturbed the balance of the cruise. Police, local administration, and divers are conducting search operation on a war footing. In Guna, a court has punished a man for making an insulting remarks against a minor girl. The incident happened in the Kant area in 2023. The girl was returning home with her friend after visiting a temple. The accused Vishal Jadhav passed her options comment and called her Jugar in front of his friend. The victim later filed a complaint with her brother. A special POSCO judge Sonali Sharma delivered the judgment. The prosecution was handled by ADPO Mamta Dikshit. The court treated the act seriously and gave a strict message against harassment of minor girls. A heartbreaking scene was witnessed in Dhar where 16 people lost their life in a tragic road accident. The victim belonged to nearby villages and their last rites were performed together. In one case, 4 women were cremated on the same pyre. The accident happened when a pickup vehicle carrying 46 labor overturned after a tire burst and collided with a Scorpio. The vehicle rolled several times before crashing. 6 children are among the dead and 30 people were injured. Families are in deep grief and the entire village is mourning this painful loss. In Bhopal, Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav launched new initiative to support farmers. The event was held at Pravind Bhavan during an agricultural workshop. The CM introduced the CM Farmer Helpline, Farmer Welfare Dashboard and a membership campaign. Over 1,000 officials from across the state attended the program. The aim is to improve farming service and provide quick help to farmers. The Chief Minister even made a live call to check the system. This step is expected to strengthen communication between farmers and the government. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav made a surprise visit to a wheat procurement center near Khargone district. Instead of following his planned schedule in Maheshwar, he directly reached Katargaon Center. There he spoke to farmers about payment system and weighing process. Farmers shared their experience and issue openly. The CM instructed officials to ensure transparency and timely payment. This sudden visit showed the government focus on ground-level problems. Farmers appreciated the interaction and hope for faster improvement in procurement facilities and better support from authorities. The Madhya Pradesh High Court has given major relief in the Sioni Hawala case. The court cancelled the FIR and criminal proceedings against 3 accused, including DSP Pankaj Mishra, due to lack of strong evidence. Constable Pramod Soni and businessman Panju Giri Goswami also received relief. However, the petition of Constable Neeraj Rajput was rejected and he will remain in jail. The case has created a lot of attention earlier. The court's decision highlights the importance of proper evidence in criminal cases. Legal experts say this ruling will have a strong impact on similar investigations. A serious wildlife concern has emerged in Kanha Tiger Reserve, where a tigress and her 4 cubs have died. Initial investigation report confirmed the cause as canine distemper virus, a dangerous infection. Tests were conducted at a wildlife forensic lab in Jabalpur. Officials said the virus affects animal nervous and respiratory system. Authorities are now on high alert to prevent further spread. Monitoring of wildlife has been increased in the reserve. Experts warn that such disease can pose a big threat to tiger population if not controlled quickly. A political controversy has started in Madhya Pradesh over serious allegation against Lot MLA Chintamani Malviya. State Women Congress President Reena Borrasi accused him of harassing and exploiting women. She met the governor and demanded immediate action. According to her, victims are not getting justice due to the MLA's influence. The issue has heated up state politics with demands for a fair investigation. So far, there has been no official response from the accused. The matter may lead to further legal and political developments in the coming days. Weather changed suddenly across Madhya Pradesh on Thursday, bringing strong winds, rain, and even hailstorms after days of extreme heat. In Bhopal, heavy rain fell for nearly 30 minutes in the afternoon, giving people much needed relief from high temperature. In Tikamgarh, a storm caused a tower to fall at a control room, though no major accident was reported. The area also saw 15 to 20 minutes of hail. In Shivpur, strong winds blew away a hotel DJ shed, leaving around 15 people injured. Several districts like Satna, Sagar and Gwalior also reported rain with thunder and lightning. While the weather cooled down, farmers are worried as crop kept in open fields were damaged by rain and hail.